Aws Amplify is a development platform that helps developers build, deploy, and manage scalable mobile and web applications. One of the key features of Aws Amplify is its support for Lambda functions, which are small, serverless pieces of code that can be executed in response to various events. To get started with Aws Amplify Lambda functions, you need to understand what a Lambda function is. A Lambda function is a small, self-contained piece of code that can be written in a variety of programming languages, including Node, JS, Python, and Java. Lambda functions are executed by Aws Lambda, a serverless compute service that provides a flexible and scalable way to build and deploy applications. When using Aws Amplify, you can create Lambda functions to perform a wide range of tasks, such as handling user authentication, processing data, and integrating with other AWS services. To create a Lambda function in Aws Amplify, you can use the Amplify CLI, which provides a simple and intuitive way to create and manage Lambda functions. Once you have created a Lambda function, you can use it to handle events from various sources, such as API calls, changes to data in a database, or even changes to files in a storage bucket. Aws Amplify provides a range of event sources that you can use to trigger your Lambda functions, including API Gateway, S3, and DynamoDB. Best practices for using Aws Amplify Lambda functions include keeping your code small and focused on a specific task, using environment variables to store sensitive data, and testing your Lambda functions thoroughly before deploying them to production. You should also monitor your Lambda functions regularly to ensure they are performing as expected, and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Aws Amplify Lambda functions to build scalable and secure applications that can handle a wide range of tasks and events. Aws Amplify provides a powerful and flexible platform for building serverless applications, and its support for Lambda functions makes it an ideal choice for developers who need to build and deploy scalable applications quickly and efficiently.